viewers. So today in the series of tutorial that we have started on in Java, we will learn about Lambda expression. What is Lambda expression? So Lambda expression is introduced in Java 8 and are touted to be the biggest feature of Java 8. Lambda expression facilitates functional programming and simplifies the development a lot. As we know, functional programming helps a lot. A lambda expression is characterized by following syntax: parameter and then the expression body. Expression body is always in one line. It is very helpful in collection library. It helps you iterate, filter, and extract data from collection. Java lambda expression is treated as a function, so compiler does not create a class file. Remember, it helps to create, filter, and extract data from a collection. Lambda expression provides implementation of functional interface. An interface which has only one abstract method is called a functional interface. So we can implement functional interface here as well. Java provides annotations at the functional interface which are used to declare an interface as functional interface. So we'll see more on functional interface in a separate video. Today we'll just see how to implement a functional interface method using Lambda. Okay, so without further ado, let's deep dive into the Lambda functional programming. I've created a class, and in that class, I will try to do some operations, simple operations, but that should be enough to give you a hint of how it works. Okay, so I've created a class. I've declared some interfaces. Okay. Now the first thing that I'm doing is, as I told you, type is not mandatory. How Lambda works, parameter and expression body. This is the parameter and this is the expression. Okay, and it is signified by this parameter, expression, and it return. So on the parameter, expression works. Okay, this is the symbol of Lambda. So let me try to run this example. What I'm trying to do is some operation here, and I'm calling example.operate, and this is the functional interface that is declared here. Okay, although it is not functional because we have not annotated it is functional, I can write more method inside this interface. So I'm passing value 100 and 10, and I'm doing the sum of it. Okay. Now, just to avoid confusion, this was example 1, although it looks like it is printed 1110. So, see, it's printed 110 only. Now, in second example, we'll see the same thing without a data type. So you don't need to declare the parameter data type. Okay. Lambda also acts as an anonymous function. Okay. So this is the parameter of the function. This is the body of the function. Okay. Now I'm trying to do a multiplication here. And I'm passing the parameter 1050. Okay. And operate is the method that I have defined here. Okay. So once I'll call this method using the parameter passed, this expression gets evaluated. Okay, and you can see it's get printed here. Similarly, you can do subtraction or you can do division. It's all same. Okay, same parameter and the expression. Okay, the only difference that I did here is return type. You can also return. Here I was not returning, I was just evaluating an expression. You can return as well, like how we return in a function. You can return here as well. So I'm returning, you can return it using the return keyword. Okay. Now let me try to run this. Like how we return in a method, use the same return keyword and you can return the values. Okay. Now it is actually 170. 3 was not declared properly, so that's why I added a dash so that we can understand this is example 3. Now in the fourth example, what we'll do, we'll try to do a division without curly braces. Okay. So here we have seen return and with curly braces as well. If there are more than one line that needs to be written, in that case curly braces is used. Without curly braces also it can be used. Okay. Now let me try to run this part. It will do a division. 200 will be divided by 20. You don't need to write a return statement. Okay. Now, how to call different methods. We have seen how to call different methods by passing the parameters. Okay. Now I have defined another interface which has a method string message, and whatever I will pass, it will get executed. So here I'm trying to call the method of this interface. Okay. I'm calling the method same method. Okay, which takes one parameter as a string. Okay. I've created a lambda function and using which I am trying to call it. You can see whatever parameter I'm passing, that's using that it's get called. Okay. So this is about the lambda. We have seen how it works. Parameter and expression is needed. We have seen how to return, how to use curly braces. Data type is not mandatory. So today we have learned about lambda function, the benefits of it. It reduces lots of code. We need to write less methods in the program. So this was very useful feature that was added in Java 8. So we'll stop the video here and see you all guys in the next episode. Thank you so much.